There are many reasons why Bitcoin has been going up in value, and some of it relates to the economic and political development. So the first is that if people expect inflation to rise in near future, they see Bitcoin as a hedge just like gold because it has a limited supply that only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. And this might make it more appealing as an investment in the uncertain times. The second reason is that many big financial institutions and companies are increasingly adopting Bitcoin, which could also help boost investors' confidence. For example, BlackRock recently filed for a Bitcoin ETF, which is signaling more mainstream acceptance. Also, there is more global uncertainty and political instability because of many wars that are going in many parts of the world. And this could push people towards assets like Bitcoin, which are not specifically tied to any government's policy. Lastly, if people find Trump now to become more favorable to cryptocurrencies, then the investors overall may feel more optimistic and this can drive the price up. So, Trump in his first term wasn't a fan of Bitcoin. He called it a scam competing against US dollars. But his administration didn't do anything per se to restrict or regulate the Bitcoins. But now, if he adopts regulations, which could be positive or negative in near future, this can further increase or decrease Bitcoin's price. So we will have to see that how that happens next year. And whether you should invest in Bitcoins depends on if you can afford to lose that money. This is a very volatile asset. And you need to understand that Bitcoin operates on blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger, and its price is highly volatile. It can swing dramatically. You may gain or lose your money quickly. So only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Most experts recommend to not make it more than 1 to 5% of your portfolio and only use trusted platforms like Coinbase. But bear in mind, government could introduce rules that can affect the value of Bitcoin. And if you believe in Bitcoin potential in future, you can hold it for long term. If you prefer quick gains, remember that timing the market is very hard and this is very unpredictable asset class. So it is up to you. For people who are just starting their investing journey, try to stick with safer assets. Maybe ETFs and index funds of diversified companies, broad-based index funds like S&P 500 or total US market index funds are better bet. My name is Parul. I'm an economist and I will see you with more financial tips.